These are the lovely freshmen. This is for me too, but this is mainly for my British friends.
Hi, British friends. Wait.
This is Rachel. Stop with the Lindsay. Look, it's Lindsay again. Did you miss her yet? It's been 5 minutes. God.
Can I tell them message?
Yeah, go ahead.
Orchestra rules.
Orchestra rules. Damn straight.
And band choir.
This is Rachel 1. Where's Rachel 2?
She's at the cult meeting.
Oh, okay. No, so she wasn't here yesterday. She's not here. This is Sarah. Stop. It's not your turn anymore. Stop. This is Sarah.
She's not as cool as me.
She's in band and orchestra.
Which means she's not as cool.
I will. This is Lindsay.
Hi.
She's a viola. So I'm coming to you, Bridget. This is Bridget. I'm going in order, except for here. As you know, that's Lindsay. That's Rachel.
No.
Say hi, Rachel.
I know.
Alright, she's not happy.
I don't need a diet.
Okay, I know one.
I went over there and it has a bad aftertaste. And it's not diet.
Is there any regular Coke?
No, they all got taken.
Oh, that's nice.
Diet Coke.
This, look. Okay. So, see, today is the seniors' last day of school, technically.
You're taping the freshmen for it. Hi.
Well, no, because they're not in here. Now they are. They weren't in here when I came in.
Yeah. Okay.
So, it is 7:55 in the land of America. That's Tim. He's a loser. You want to say it?
No.
Alright. So, we're just kind of chilling.
No, you have to prove it.
Alright, it looks like over there they're trying to spell orchestra. That's the class of 07 and 08. It says or. Fancy. What?
Nothing.
Okay. Those are some balloons from the banquet last night. They're pretty weird. And there's our movie choices. Hey, Jerry. And so, you know, we're all cool except for Tim.
And then will you send it down here? Alright,
Stop. Everyone's cool except you.
Tim's a creeper. Don't like him.
Yeah, exactly. Don't like Tim, Karn. Don't like Tim.
Nobody else likes him either.
I love how I was just holding my camera and I ended up pointing at Rachel.
That's because the camera loves me.
There's her 7-Up.
Tell her if you see any Harry Potter, Star Wars.
You already said that.
No, but
Tim.
hypocrite too.
Tim,
Just not Emma Watson.
I'm gonna kill you. One more time. Look. Okay. So, alright, I'm gonna turn the camera off for a minute. So, I might come back, but
I might come back.
bye.
Adios.